Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, clear skies inland here, welcoming back the marine clouds along the coast. The upper level low getting closer and closer. You can see them kind of lapping their way around the south coast there, and they'll be sneaking up as we head in towards the overnight hours tonight. So the nice sunny forecast we've seen at the coast the last couple of days, likely going to go away for just a few. But other than that, that low is just not strong enough. It won't have that much influence on our weather, with the exception of, you can see this little light deck of stratus clouds, like a little thin layer just kind of drifting northward too. Now, if we were in the middle of summertime, and we had a lot of unstable hot air like we would have, let's say if we were in the middle of August or even late July, boy, we could really fire off some thunderstorms with that moving through too. It'd be a nice little trigger for us, but alas, that is not the case. Still pretty dry outside though. Red flag warnings have been extended mainly for the entire Willamette Valley and up into the northern Cascades. They go all the way through tomorrow evening at around 7 o'clock on Saturday. Speaking of, if you're going to be out to Autzen Stadium tomorrow evening, starting off tailgating weather, not bad. Low 70s will be around 67 degrees just before kickoff. And here's where things will get a little cool. Second half, again, you know ESPN, they like to drag the halves out. It likely will be a little cool with temperatures falling into the low 50s, so keep that in mind. A little warmer for the Beavs taking out Washington State and the Wild Pirate. 3 o'clock at Reese should be a decent one for Beaver fans as well. Overnight tonight, light winds, that's what we need. Clear skies, need that as well. So I'm expecting temperatures to get down close to freezing once again. We may not necessarily get below freezing just because we're starting to see a bit of a warmer air mass move in overhead. But there is a chance it could be some spots. Outlying areas could get some patchy frost again. As we mentioned, the red flag warning has been extended. Weekend football looking good. And a nice sunny start to October is rolling on through our weekend forecast. 71, the current temperature in Roseburg right now. We're at a pair of 74s in Corvallis and Eugene. 50s as you get out towards Bend, and 50s out in towards Florence and Newport as well, around 60 as you get to North Bend. So what's happening? There's our upper level low. Winds go counterclockwise around that, pushing offshore. Clockwise winds around the big high that's been blocking everything in the Gulf of Alaska, pushing offshore. That's kind of the pattern that we're seeing here, is that's continuing that offshore flow. That keeps a very dry forecast for us, and that'll continue over the next couple of days as we go to the weekend. So the precision cast, as we roll it through tonight and tomorrow, again, morning clouds. Could see some of those try to sneak in towards, let's say, the western edge of Douglas County outside of the Coast Range. I think they'll be gone by early afternoon, and then again Sunday, coast will be seeing the cloud cover. Inland, though, we should be just fine. Lots of sunshine, and we'll keep those temperatures holding in the low 70s. So we'll go partly sunny once again, right around 60 degrees or so. Could see some morning drizzle the next couple of mornings along the coast. Things cloud up Monday as the low actually moves into Northern California, but that'll be the last of its influence. Then we'll get back to a couple of sunnier days as we head to midweek. Sunny in the Umpqua tomorrow, temperatures in the low 70s, very pleasant through the weekend as well. Some morning clouds on Monday, and then again Wednesday and Thursday we'll see the wind switch start moving in off the ocean, and that'll bring those morning clouds back. Sunny and breezy in the Cascades, temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s, low 70s in the foothills, low 60s as you get towards Bend and Redmond. Sunny forecast there. Northeast winds will continue to keep a very chilly forecast, but at least we're slowly getting above freezing for the overnight lows. And here in the valley, sunny and mild tomorrow, temperatures around 72 to 73. I'll go with some patchy frost in areas, but then those overnight lows bump back up quickly to around 40 degrees. And you see, guys, we stay pretty darn pleasant for this time of year, around 70 degrees, which is right about where we should be.
Just quite chilly in the morning.
Very chilly in the morning, but nice afternoons, though.
Thanks, Justin.
Yeah.